What's up guys, Miguel here. If you guys saw a couple videos back, I took the car off-roading, and I'll put a video down below just in case you didn't see it. I messed up my front lip on the Evo. Luckily I was able to source it. It's called the mechanical deck lip. There actually isn't many out there, so I was really lucky to get another one. So now I'm going to be extra careful with it and make sure I never break it again. So I'm just going to do like a quick install video and let's go do it. So first let's open the box. I also got another package from a good friend of mine, Memo, aka Mr. GSX. If you guys don't follow him, I'll put his channel in the description. I don't want you guys seeing my my address here. Alright, so I went ahead and opened it so you guys didn't see my address, but the guys over at German Lab sent me these Save the Eclipse hoodie, shirt for Save the Eclipse, the Driven Lab shirt as well for Save the Eclipse since 1999. Huge thanks guys. I'm actually gonna put the hoodie on right now, see how it fits. But yeah, if you guys want any of this stuff, any of this gear, I'll put the link in the description to the website. You guys can go check them out. Alright, let's start on the install. Alright, here's the lip. It's pretty aggressive for the 9s. This is personally my favorite lip for these cars. So yeah, let's take off the bumper real quick. These guys didn't give me hardware, so I'm gonna go to Home Depot or Lowe's real quick and get some. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so step one, you gotta remove these clips right here. If you get like a flathead, you could just like pin them out and they should pop right out. Yeah, you see? So there's only 4 up top. It's pretty easy. Just be careful right here. Be careful not to break them since they are really fragile. It's kind of hard to like record and like pin these out, but I'll get back to you guys right now once I'm done with these. Okay, so those are done. Now, next step is these guys right here. It makes it a little easier if you actually push the wheel away from the fender well so you get more room. So you can put the ratchet in there. It should be like a 10 or 12. It's most likely a 10, but I'll do that for you guys real quick as well. Okay, so the sides are done. I also forgot to mention there's another 3 bolts here. So there's one here which I'm missing, and one here. So 3 bolts total. So it's gonna be 4 clips, 3 bolts up top, and then a bolt on each side. They're both 10 millimeters. Okay, so the thing's bumperless now. So as you can see, the Evos already come with a pre-drilled bumper, and I mocked it up real quick for you guys. This is what it's gonna look like. I mean, if you guys already saw the other videos, you guys already know what it looks like on the car, but the fitment's pretty good. As you can see, it's not bolted on yet, but once it is, it should look good. So let's get to drilling. If you can see right here, there's 16 holes like these, and you have a screw of your choice, you know, whatever you want, and a washer, and you're basically gonna stick it in through here and make sure it goes through on the other side onto the lip, and it should attach it. Alright, so I went ahead and finished drilling off 16 holes. It takes you a while, just be patient and make sure you don't drill far enough to the point where you're going to go through on the other side. Just be real careful with that, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it back on the car for you guys, and then we'll do like some cool little cinematics real quick, so let's get to it. Alright, it's on there. Let me know how you guys like the lip. The fitment is like an 8.5 out of 10, but it's actually pretty good. You can't tell, you know, you can't tell like a little imperfections from afar, but even from up close. But I already cleaned up the engine bay a little better. So let's just get some quick shots and like some cinematics. guys, hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.